Right, so now we've done a scattergram, which to be honest with you, you're not going to do a ton of in the course, but you know, whatever. It's nice to look at. But something you are going to do a lot is most likely is to find a correlation coefficient. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to, this is example 4 in these chapter 4 notes, but I'm just going to continue with the same data we had before. So it's the same stuff we entered in the earlier chapter 4 tutorial for percent free reduced lunch and the percent that are passing a reading test. Okay, so let me just maximize this because we don't need to see the data set anymore. Let's see, and just by the way, in case you want to remember, we entered the data in stat edit, right? Now, the thing about the correlation coefficient is that when you buy your your calculator, and you bring it home from the store, it doesn't have the correlation coefficient thing turned on. So you're going to have to turn it on. You only have to do this once. You never have to do this again. Once you turn it on, it should stay on unless you reset or lose batteries or something. Although even then it should work. So you go to second catalog. See that in blue above my 0? So it's shift catalog, shift 0. And then in here are a whole bunch of different things. Down, 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 right? You can hit the down arrow a gajillion times. It's in alphabetical order. See this little A up here? That means that it's an alphabetical list, and if you press a button, it'll take you to that letter in the alphabet. Well, I want Diagnostic On. Starts with a D. You can see the D is right here in green above my X inverse button, X to the -1 button. So if I hit that, I automatically hop to the D's, as in dog. And I can go down, 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 down. There it is. Whoops, I went past it. Diagnostic On. You want to get to that one, and you want to press enter. Now, if you want, you could just press down, 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 a whole bunch. You'd get there as well. So you don't have to hit this X -1 button if you don't want to, but it's kind of nice because it's faster. So you have Diagnostic On, and then it's blinking, and then you're going to hit enter, and it should say done. That turned on the diagnostics for regression. Okay, you only have to do this one time. You'll never have to do it again. Okay. Now, once you have turned on Diagnostic On, then finding the correlation coefficient is really easy. You press Stat, you go to the right to Calc, and you see number 4 right there, Linear Regression, AX plus B. Right? If you took an algebra class anywhere in your life, it should look very familiar. MX plus B, right? AX plus B. So you hit number 4. Now, if you kept your data in list 1 and list 2, L1, L2, then you can just hit enter and it will find it for you. If you didn't, let me do it again, stat, calc, number 4, or you could go down, down, down and hit 4. If you kept it in any other columns, the other way to do it is to do second 1, like L1 for me, comma, second 2, L2. So you're telling it L1's where my X's are, L2 is where my Y's are. Now, you don't have to do this. The L1, L2 thing, if L1 and L2 are where your data is, then fine. You can just press enter and you don't have to bother with the L1, L2 thing at all. But if you have your data, let's say in L3 and L4, you have to tell the calculator that, because if you don't tell it L3, L4, then it's going to go back to L1 and L2 by default. So for example, if I had second L3, comma, second L4, right? If I had data in there, then I would need to tell the calculator that. If you don't tell the calculator any of that stuff, here, let me go back. Oopsie, too far. Delete, delete, delete. Okay. If I don't have anything there and it's just sitting there with a blinking cursor, then when I hit enter, it's going to do L1, L2 by default. Okay. All right, now here you can see there's the correlation coefficient right there. There's the coefficient of determination right there, which is from section 4.3. And there's the slope, which is A, and the y-intercept, which is B. So it figured out all sorts of stuff for you with that one trick, right? Linear regression, okay, which is stat calc number 4. Alrighty then, I think we've done a whole bunch of stuff. We found how to find the correlation coefficient and how to find the equation of the line, right? Which is the line of best fit, which is AX plus B, and the coefficient of determination. I'll see you here next time.